He actually means he just want to sleep with you and leave you and go to the next one.
I type, yeah. Type by type.
Yeah, it's not nice, Papa. I told you.
Hello from the other side. I must have come.
It's showtime, folks.
Again, I have some few questions to ask you. No, my guy, why are you so scared? Okay, Sissy, like what do you like for a guy? How do you like your guy looking in a relationship? Can you tell me about the looks of your potential boyfriend?
Sexy dark chocolate.
Sexy dark chocolate?
Yes.
Okay. So, my guy, as you can hear, sexy dark chocolate. Do you think you are what she wants? Okay, so guys, it seems like the girl has taken a decision because like she's not popping the handsome guy's balloon. So guys, how do you feel about her?
Yeah, ndiko stuck at it. I'm happy with her.
Huh?
I'm happy with her.
Guys, please listen to this gentleman. Urmini?
There is a sharp so.
The minutes are sharp.
Kombo na asharp, attractive.
Guys. Okay, how do you feel about him?
Okay, too sharp. That's balloon like.
So do you see him as a person you like to have a relationship with?
Yeah.
Okay, can you please give him a hug?
Hello.
Okay, so are we gonna call this a relationship? Are you guys going to go to a date or something? Can I hear from you?
Yeah, it's fine if I couldn't.
Is it a date, just a date to get to know each other? A date to get to know each other, or maybe you are in a relationship from now on? What do you have to say?
Now sis, go to hell, bitch.
You say something about your new man.
My new man?
Yeah.
My new man?
Or your new dates.
Oh, my new date.
Yeah.
Okay, like new date yanga ndikotenda and angasitovherera bosa mutene random expect mara I believe that ndingamu change.
Okay. So same as you?
Yeah, it's cool, fine.
Okay, so I'm gonna call this a relationship. They're so cute. Okay, guys.
It's a match.
It's a match. It's a match. It's a match, guys.
It's a match. Wow.
Okay.
A round of applause, guys. A round of applause. Wow. Wow. No. Hey, we are back. We are continuing. We are back with what?
Part 2.
It's part 2. Okay. As you can see, we are here now. The ladies. Don't worry. Mi Paco. Janine is mi Paco. Okay. So, we're going to call a boy now. We're going to call a boy. The ladies, are you ready? Oh, they say they are ready. Oh my God. Where is the boy? The boy. Can you see the handsome guy? Chico Deepa Fire. Wow. Hey, don't look back, you guys. Don't look back. Wow. 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 Oh, okay. Rinani hapa.
Mpanga mgwedi.
Ni?
Mpanga mgwedi.
Mpanga mgwedi. Oh, okay. Rina duba imena ngangema choose. Duba kelia. Or na mpanga mgwedi. Here are the ladies. Ani ngochura bangaphamula kana basiphamule?
Chongochura ndedip.
Nyadidivane?
I like it. It's either way.
Either way.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Arva jene matches. Hey, the ladies, you can turn around. Sure, here's the boy. Hey, yo. Hey. Swabukuma. Okay. On the baby pop out. Oh, I'm watching far. Okay, it's fine. No, Arjun. No, Afar Mike.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Hello,
How are you?
I'm good and you?
I'm also good. May I ask?
Oh, the voice.
Okay. May I ask why you pop?
Why?
Yes.
Ish, ndingatori mini I type yang type by type.
Sorry, can I ask you a question? What is your type?
Hi boy. Type ish mara biwena kumbuzisa zisho.
What is your type, baby?
Ish ndinga story type ndichiko base zvino I don't date with boys ndiyava opa vatukana.
Also, why are you here if you're really that scared of guys?
Why I'm here? I thought maybe because there was Dana who gonna wanna have which are my types.
Sorry for the inconvenience. How do you feel that she popped the balloon?
I'm not that offended.
You're not? Yeah. Is she your type? Is she someone you can date?
Yeah.
Are you smashed though?
Yeah.
Kanam.
Okay. Okay, so this is the second lady. You can see she didn't pop. So how do you feel about that?
Yeah. I'm kind of. What can I say? I can say proud. Yeah.
Okay. Why didn't you pop your balloon?
As I said last time, ish type yang and is sexy dark chocolate. So that's when songo pop.
So do you think he is sexy and dark chocolates?
Obvious.
Okay, thank you. Hi, girl. Why didn't you pop your balloon?
Like the same some.
Ooh, if you handsome. What do you have to say about that?
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Is she a person you can date?
Yeah.
Okay.
Date. Okay.
Okay. Hello, girl. Why do you seem so nervous? Are you regretting your decision?
No, I'm not.
Why did you end up popping the balloon?
I don't believe in boys. I only date girls.
So you thought we were bringing girls?
Nah, I'm not just like that. I mean, like, I don't date boys totally.
Okay, next time we're definitely gonna bring ladies for you, ne? Yeah. How do you feel that she popped the balloon?
I'm too offended.
Are you feeling anything right now?
No.
Nothing. No feelings.
So you lesbian, my sister?
Yes, but I do represent femme.
Okay, makes sense. Okay. Hi. Hi, beautiful lady. You seem so scared.
The boy is blushing.
Why are you
The boy is
blushing?
blushing.
I'm not blushing.
No, I don't know if it's me, guys. Ne?
You ready out of 10?
Out of 10. 7.
7. Aye, it's fake, but. Why Dingwa go short?
Let's go short.
Hey, what should I mean? Ninga chincha minuri like iwe 10.
I don't know. What can I change?
Mara ini ko ska feel ngar ini na ngai manga pa nga ba 10. Don't you think so?
Maybe.
Let's try. Let's just try.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, it could be. Yeah. So why didn't you pop your balloon?
It's not that too bad, but he's handsome.
He's handsome. Okay. So guys, can we see the ladies who didn't pop the balloons? Can you please come stand here?
3 ladies remaining for
Okay,
one guy from Poyanga.
Yeah. Okay, Mpoyanga, can you please come this side? What kind of a relationship are you looking for?
I'm not looking for a relationship right now.
What are you looking for? Smash and pass?
Vibing type thing.
Yeah, it works.
Okay, how do you feel about that? How do you feel about what he just said now? He says he just wanna vibe. He actually means he just wanna sleep with you and leave you and go to the next one.
Hi, unfortunately, nending us is remarriage over time push. Hi.
Okay, but you still have your balloon. It means you're really up for smash. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my, look at that! Oh my god! Oh my! No guys, unfortunately they all popped because the guy said he just wanna do the deeds, he just wanna vibe. So the ladies wanted marriage, by the way. So yeah, he lost. I'm sorry my guy. It's a boo. time. Thank you.
Yeah, wait.
Duavo.
Oh, can you please face the sun? Because, like, we don't want to suffer when editing.
So